Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Young Roots. I am Tanvi Shah. Today we are going to do a long vowel U sound. But before that, you know what are vowel sounds? Please check in my description and see the short and the long vowel sounds we've done. We've also done long vowel A sound and their alternative spellings. Okay, please go and refer to the old videos in my description box. And today we are going to do a long vowel U sound and its alternative spellings, and with a lot of hints and tips how to introduce to the babies and how to take it forward. The first alternative is UE. We've already done this. I will share you the link for the long vowel alternative sound U. Let's revise this. It's T, E, U, tissue, tissue, v, e, n, u, when you, st, e, t, u, statue, v, a, l, u, value, g, l, u, glue, f, u, l, fuel. Right, so this was the first alternative for the long vowel sound U. The second alternative for the U sound. This is a split digraph, or else you can say it a magic E. When two vowels are there and there's a middle consonant, the first vowel makes the sound and the second vowel is silent. It gives the magic to the first vowel to say the sound. So, for example, T, U, B, tube. So, you see the sound dots T, U, B, tube. We do not put a sound button on E because we don't tell the sound. We only tell the sounds for T, U, B, tube. Next one, K, U, B, cube. Okay, K, U, B, cube. Next one, S, S, A, L, U, T, salute. Okay, S, A, L, U, T, salute. Next one, J, U, N, June. Right. So did you see the split digraph? That is U and E, and the E doesn't make the sound. That's a magic E. Only the U makes the sound U. The third alternative for the U sound. When E and W come together, it makes the U sound. For example, U, few, D, U, dew, G, R, U, grew, Ch, U, chew. Yes? Could you see this diagram? CH also over here? Yes. Ch, U, chew. Right? Somewhere U also makes the oo sound. Like ch, oo, chew. Okay? Sometimes it also makes the U sound. It makes the oo sound. This you do not need to introduce to your babies. It makes it more complex. Make it simple and easy for them. And introduce them or give them dictation and say them use the alternative EW for the U sound. So they will write the right spelling. Initially you have to do this 2-4 times and then they will get the spellings right. But while giving dictation, I request you to give your hints and tell them which alternative to use. The last alternative, U itself. When the U is in the beginning, it makes the U sound. And when there are more than one syllable word, it is the U will make the long vowel sound U. Okay. For example, uniform. Then unicorn. Then university. Then on these three words, the U makes the U sound itself. Now there are some exceptions also. For example, under, it makes the sound. So in this, the rule doesn't apply. Only in this words it apply. When there is a more than one syllable, then you have to make the sound. Okay, so these were the all alternative sounds for the long vowel U. You have any queries or you have any ideas, you can drop me a comment in the comment section. It will be useful for the other kids also. Till that time, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.